Today, so many businesses are just plain dull and boring. They can't be bothered surprising, entertaining, or connecting with customers. To them, it's all just dollars and cents. But there are tangible rewards for businesses that make an effort to create a theatrical or emotional service experience. This restaurant, the Cha Grill in Shanghai, has introduced an element of theatre to ensure they stay ahead of the competition. Instead of finding a steak knife laid out on the table, they offer you a choice of knives from this spectacular looking presentation box. They've added a sense of theatre to something as mundane and basic as salt, offering a choice of 6 special salts and presenting them in a visually pleasing manner. Even the serving of soup is done with flair and is a talking point amongst guests of the restaurant. And come dessert, I recommend the banana cheesecake, not only because it's sublime, but the presentation in the logoed wooden presentation box is something out of the ordinary. You just don't see this sort of thing. All of these measures are designed to add a touch of theatre and flair to what can be a rather dull affair at many eateries. Of course, this sense of theatre is not confined to restaurants. Have a look at what happens when you buy a car from this Las Vegas car dealership.
Not done with you guys yet.
Congratulations to John McCourt for the purchase of a 99 drop top SS Camaro from Tobin. Number 1 in Nevada.
You walk out of there feeling like a champion. In the cases of these two businesses, they've analysed aspects of their business and made a conscious effort to do something different, to challenge people's ideas of normality. If you spent some time analysing your business, you too would come up with ways to engage customers in a unique way. And when you do that, you reap the rewards of word-of-mouth advertising. Now, off you go, get theatrical. I'm Kim Illman, and thank you for watching.